What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and we are back for more Kamen Rider Geats Legend Rider Raise Buckles. And obviously, we have another Televigoon exclusive because it has a ridiculously long box. Why do the Mooks get the regular size boxes, but these ones are long as hell? I just want to know. I want to know the logic. And this one is obviously, as you can see, Ryuki's belt, which is the V buckle. So is it the V buckle? I guess. I guess that's what it is. You got Kamen Rider Geats kind of going up on there, being like, I'm gonna grab it! And you got him hanging out with Ryuki. You got a like orangish picture in there. Got Ryuki over here just hanging out. Got words. Yeah, that's it. Kamen Rider Geats. So, that's pretty much it. Same old with these kinds of packaging. So, let's get to the buckle. And here's the buckle. It looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think this translated really well into being a buckle. The silver looks good. Kind of gives me some Famicom vibes, even though I know Famicom's white. I don't know why this also somewhat gives me Famicom vibes. But yeah, you have the buckle in there with the Ryuki deck in there. Has all those details picked out. Yeah, I think that looks really cool. I think especially like when you move it and you can see like the details stay, and it's kind of like a kind of neat optical illusion you can see. Like, I think that's really cool. I think this one turned out really well. Let's check out the rail. It is number 46. And if we put it in the driver. Yep, so it's the V buckle. God, early Heisei transformations were so quick, so quaint. Let's bring in another buckle. And let's use it with Fies. Oh, wrong way. You got an old red. And, oh. Ah. I don't know why that's acting up. So, let's bring in the boost buckle. What? Read it. I know you're on. I know your batteries. I don't know why. I think my batteries might be dying. I need to change them out. There it is. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. That's really all that I really feel like I need to show off with the Ryuki buckle. Like most Kamen Rider buckles, there are no sounds in the Magnum Shooter. And overall, this is something I could recommend if you're collecting the Legend Rider buckles and, you know, and you're a Ryuki fan. If you're a Ryuki fan and you have a Desire Driver, go ahead and pick it up if you can find it for a decent price. And especially if you can get the magazine with it, which I don't. So, yeah, that could always be fun. And overall, I do like the sounds. I think it looks really good. I think aesthetically, I really do like it. And overall, it's something I can easily recommend. Tell me your Ryuki thoughts down in the comments. What do you guys think about him? And overall, thank you so much for watching. And I guess I'm going to go and put new batteries in my Desire Driver. So, until whatever I do next, bye!